Feeling good? You're about to feel even better. I'm Simon, a trader with 7 years of experience, and my win rate is almost 88.7%. Today I've got something mind-blowing for you. These are my trading results from the previous week. Now we'll break down my strategy. It hits the jackpot based on analytics, knowledge and calculations. Grab a tea, everything will be piece of cake because you've got me. If you've never traded before, let me show you how it works. Today's session is gonna be really fun because I'm starting with just 5. Let's see how far I can go. Alright, I'm picking this, and this pair, and I'll include Apple and Intel stocks as well for a balanced mix. Don't forget about the indicators, they are key to managing risk. I'm using RSI and SuperTrend. These are our go-to tools. But it's super important to set them up right. For SuperTrend, we'll set this to 14 and this to 2. In the style settings, tweak it so everything's nice and clear. For RSI, set it to 10 and make sure the style settings are sharp. That should do it for this strategy. Looks pretty promising, but let's put it to the test. I'm looking at the first chart now. Like I said, I'm starting with just 5 today. I'm curious to see how far I can get since I usually start with more. So, what do we have here? After correction, the candles are trending down. The indicators are backing that up. A small achievement, but hey, I'll take it. Now let's check on Apple. All right. I think it's time to go down because the candles are showing a trend reversal. Let me double check the indicators and... It's so important to get your platform set up right. I'm always explaining how to do it on my Telegram channel, what settings work more efficiently. So if you've got any questions, hit me up there and I'll answer you directly. Nicely done, we're already up to 18. Now let's get back to our first pair of the day. The trend's pretty clear here, we're going down. Just checking the indicators and we're good to go. For me, trading is hands down the perfect way to live the life I've always wanted. Thanks to trading, I've been able to achieve things I once only dreamed of, and I want the same for you. That's why I'm here to help, but you gotta trust me. All you need to do is click the link in the description or in the top comment and subscribe to my Telegram channel for free. You'll be able to trade with my guidance and get all the info you need about the trades. Join my club now. No luck here, just the right strategy. Here I'm expecting an upward trend and the indicators agree with me. Let's check it out. The red candle got me a little nervous for a second, but everything turned out just fine, just like I expected. Another pair here. I'm going up from the support level because I see that the RSI indicator is at the lower boundary, so we're waiting for a bounce. While we're waiting, let me tell you a bit about these indicators. RSI helps us analyze the trend direction. It gives reliable signals that point to an upcoming trend reversal, and it's also useful for technical analysis. SuperTrend, on the other hand, helps us figure out the overall market direction. A line under the chart means an upward trend, while a line above means a downward trend. I recently talked about how the ADX indicator works and why it's important on my channel. Check it out, it's often underrated. So far, everything's going according to our plan. Let's get back to Intel. I think there's gonna be an upward push to the indicator line. Let's check it and give it a shot. Now Apple. I'm seeing signs of reversal here because there was a large engulfing candle, so we're expecting an upward move. Also, back when I got started, I had no clue where to begin. I was lucky enough to have a mentor who guided me. Now, I want to be that mentor for you. I genuinely enjoy sharing value with newbies who want to make it in trading. In my Telegram channel, I share daily signals that are tried and tested. A beginner just needs to copy them and see results. My trading strategy represents 8 years of experience and over 10,000 hours of practice. I trade live and all you have to do is follow my steps. The channel is free at the moment, but I'm not sure how long that will last. Click the link in the description now and subscribe so you don't miss out. My videos might never pop up in your feed again. I'll personally help you get started making money. Don't waste any time, we'll be waiting for you in our trading community. For all the violence in my orchestra. And now in the 7th session, we're already up to 480. Back to the pairs. I see that after a downward push, there's going to be a slowdown and the RSI indicator is deep in the oversold territory, so I'm expecting an upward push. Remember where I started today? Like I said, I'm starting with just 5 today, and now look at this result. On this pair, stochastic is pointing to a trend reversal after the correction, so we're heading down. Awesome, now let's move on to the last trade of the day. Well, this one's pretty obvious. A strong downtrend and it's still going strong. No doubts here, we're going down. Friends, imagine having the knowledge to move confidently toward your goals and make informed decisions. The freedom to travel, support your loved ones, and live the life you've always dreamed of. That's all possible with the right know-how, consistent work, and smart choices. My community is not just a group of like-minded individuals. It's a place where people study the market, exchange ideas, and get access to my daily market analysis. I explain my steps, share the experience I've gained over years of work, and show even newcomers how to understand the market. Right now, the community is open for anyone ready to learn and move forward. Access is free. All you need to do is click the link in the description under this video. Come join us. This is your chance to pick up new knowledge today. I'll be waiting for you in our community.